done some changes, right? That we have added the settings and all those things. And when I go to this link, it went to login, right? It should go to landing page, right?
Uh,
So we will fix that. Majorly the problem might be with the what we can say. The problem might be with the routes or something we are calling that needs some permissions. That's why it may this problem. So first of all, yes. What's the issue that? Yes, we have changed yesterday the route, right?
yes.
Yes, we have added some data. Okay, so I think yes, here was our route. The old route was like this, right? And that was loading the landing page welcome, right? So what we did, we have added some things here, home controller, and from the home controller, right? And here you can see this, that we are having the middleware auth, right?
Mm.
Yes, and we are calling this method, right? Actually we can do we have to remove this one. There the middleware auth is there, and I think due to this something happens. First this happens, the constructor, you know, the constructors, the constructors are the things
Uh,
that functions
yes.
executed every time the object is created, whether I call welcome, whether I call index, admin. Just before execution of this welcome and admin any function, this function always index. This is called a constructor. That concept is available in all programming language. And what happened, we were using this constructor, right? And to have the admin home and all those things. And let me check any rule is there. Middleware auth, okay, that's the normal one. So whether we get any solution for it, or otherwise we do a separate controller, right? That
Mhm.
landing controller, and we will have this function there, and then we change the route and everything will be fine. So okay, so here I will share this code with ChatGPT. Instead of making that step, let me check whether we have another solution. We can bypass the middleware or something like this. So this is the code. I think it's smaller one. Yes, it's not that much long. It's only 300 lines. Okay. So here I have problem with welcome method, and welcome method. Okay. I will also share the route with you, so he can give us some solution. Redirecting to login page. Loads long landing page. Okay. Yes. Okay. Here is the rule. We can accept some methods. Okay. Got it? So
Yes.
yes, this the solution. Very better solution. I think this one. Instead of making more changes anywhere, so we will just accept that one. Okay. What happened yesterday? We were logging. That's why we not get that problem. Yes. Now let save this one, and now I go to that public. Yeah, it should load. Yes, fine. Now it's okay.
Uh,
Okay. So just update this one. I will paste this one. Home controller
home
constructor.
controller.
Okay, I will remove this. Or I will share this line. Okay.
Okay.
that because this function executes first. So it is just for security that no anyone directly can access the functions without login. Okay. So next thing is this. We got it. So that problem was solved. And login. And then okay, it's fine. What happened? Yesterday we have the events, right? And okay, not events in volunteers. We keep this one, and we don't have the address, right? So what we have to do? We already taken email here. We will remove this column. Okay. So it's in volunteer index. So just go to this one, volunteer index method, and here we need to hide the email that one because we already taken that email. So I just remove this one, fourth one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Email already taken. Email. Yes, this user ID we should remove now. If I am right, let me check. Column name and value should be right. Yes, this is ID name. Okay. Date of birth of the user, right? So I think date of birth is taken from profile. So directly from volunteer DOB. Okay, let me check that model just to confirm what data that user profile have. Models user profile, right? Okay. Yes, VOB we have directly. Yes. So to show the date of birth, again go to the volunteer index. Yes, here. Okay, email, and this one is the second column. This is the third column for address, and I think this is the column for the date of birth. So volunteer, yes, and which column? DOB. Okay. Let me check whether it is in the right format, DDMMYY, or we will convert that one. Yeah. Okay. So to have this in a proper format, we need to have the PHP function date, and then we give the format that in which format we want. We want it in a DD dash MM and YY. Okay. Okay. If we give the 4Y, I think this will give you the. Okay. Let me check how it will now. It's like that. Okay. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hello, 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 sir.
Yes, here just add this one in a home controller construct that change the existing line with this, and that problem will
Wait,
solve here, this line,
wait,
in the home controller.
say number.
Okay,
Wait, sir. Yeah.
in a home controller, just replace this one. Okay, now we are here. What happened? DDMMYY I have given. Yes. Yeah. What is the okay? Now I have to convert this one into integer, means string to time. So str to time, str to time. Okay. And around this date, also the date is taken as a string from the database. I need to convert it into a time integer, and then it will be get formatted like this. Let's see how it looks. Okay, here the thing is that
Wait, sir.
integer means
Wait,
twice.
sir. Wait, sir.
So I have to do D, M, and Y. And if I want the full year, I can have the capital Y. So now check it. Okay, why it's taking time? I think Llama is live, so I need to close that Llama. Quit Llama, and also quit this. Yes, pieces of. Yes, these two things are now. Okay, 1 hour also quit. 1 hour. Yes, now. Yes. Okay, date of birth is right now 4/5. Or one thing we can do. Okay, we refresh it. Yes, now it's fine. Okay, this one is more readable. Like this, and we need the address. Yes, I think we have that column, address column in volunteer. Let's check again. Yes, no, no, no. Yes, we directly have the address. We can have directly show this. So index.bled. Again, go here. First is volunteer and have the address. Hello, hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Uh, I think that's done. Okay. And that issue is get solved. If I log out, it should go to that landing page, and now this login. So the problem was in the home. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And where is our another player? Naresh.
I think he had open.
Yes. Something I like. I think ma'am want to join. So here the problem was solved. Okay. Payment is there. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think ma'am also there.
Yeah, I think
So
in.
that problem gets solved, right? That was because the authentication controller, the middleware was called, and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, here welcome that landing page, right? For yesterday we have changed this one, the web.php routing. We had this one without any controller method, right? And then we shifted
Okay.
that method because we need to set settings, right? That's why.
Settings.
But what happened? To this controller, we have the construct, and construct is what? The
Little
This is the
function.
function that call every time that object oriented. We have this concept, right? Constructors. So that's why when this function is called, before that this constructor will get called, and that yesterday have only value this middleware auth only. That's why it redirecting you to login page. So now we expect accepted that welcome method from this auth controller. So that problem gets solved now.
So, can I see the that
Yes,
part?
yes, yes, yes. Here I have sent you the code. Go to home
Okay.
controller, and
Done.
yes, and then go to construct,
Construct.
and
Okay.
yes, replace existing like with this one.
For this middleware. Okay.
Yes, the middleware, or just you have to view the arrow and write that accept welcome this method.
Oh, just now it mentioned this middleware author.
Yes, what we that the constructor has
Okay, just
the
add
condition is that
XML.
constructor is the function which get executed uh, uh, execution of any method in this class. Okay, that concept is in Java, Python, any programming language. We have the constructor function. So the what happened? We have protected the home controller because we have the dashboard of volunteer, dashboard of user, and dashboard of admin landing page from the home controller. That's why we had this one. But that welcome page doesn't need to have any what we can say any barrier. So it should be shown directly. So that's why we have to accept that welcome method. Welcome method is our loading our landing page, right?
Okay.
Yes, and now we also done some changes here. Uh, Here, volunteer. Yesterday we have some column. Okay, in volunteer we have some blank data. We have removed that one. That we don't have the address. We shifted the email here, so user can that admin can get that they have the if two users have the same name like this one and this then you can differentiate them from the email also. Okay, so this is done. Now it's I think we have to move towards the app, right?
Yeah, apps.
Yes,
So
and
the another thing when I just now I checked, About the login panel,
Settings,
forget password.
settings. Okay, in the forget password, I think yes. For the
Uh,
forget password, if I go to
it
login,
shows like attempt to read property type null.
type on null, yes. It says null. Okay, why? It is okay. Let's check that. Okay, public password reset. Okay, so just go down and here you need to check which controller method it is. So in the routing,
Hmm?
actually it is the forgot password controller. We have the show link request format, right? And the might be the problem is that this is the new type we have created, right? So
Huh?
okay, so just open this controller and see what's the problem. Forgot password controller.
But
I think
we
inside the
doesn't have
auth
it.
and
Oh, okay.
yes, the forgot password controller, but it is extending the existing one. So the problem is that we need to find how I can have the extra that because this property was not there, we have implemented it to have some I think all user type. We already have this one also, right? We have this, yes. Okay, what's the error? Hello.
Yes, sir.
The problem is that it has the same layout, okay, and you know that, yes, okay, just try to understand. Here you are, yes, right? Hello.
Hmm.
You are
Yeah.
login, not you are not login, right?
Hmm.
Yes, and you are trying to click here forgot user password, right?
Yeah.
And when you try to forget the user password and you have the layouts, okay, for the forgot,
App dot.
yes, the problem is that okay, let me show you. These views having the layout app, yes, you can see the error is in the applet.php and he is trying to find the authenticated user, right? Yes, there is sound something, right?
No,
Okay,
no. Alif
yes.
join them.
And what's the problem is that we are not logging. That's why we have the error, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So that's why we have the problem here, right? So either we have to bypass this or we have to find from where we have this layout, okay? So this one, okay, you can see here we have the get content, view auth password, okay? So resources view auth and password.php is there, I think, yes. Okay, let me check, copy the link and okay, control B, auth, not this one,
Password reset. Reset
view
password.
auth, okay, let me just inspect this one, okay, not to this one, yes, where is this? So I think it is better to find here one, yeah. In the resources, right, we have the auth views and we have the passwords. I think it's a reset password, right?
Hmm.
Right, this,
So dot.
yes, here we have the password, okay, and here at top we have the layout app, right? So okay, then this error might be we have in the register blade and everywhere. So we do some conditional coding in that layout only instead of changing that layout directly. So just go to view, then go to layouts, then go to app.blade here, and I think this is the menu. Yes, just repeat. Yes, here. Here is the type, right?
Type also.
So if someone is not logged in, we will not show anything to you, right? But why this app layout is there, I just okay. Let me just see. Okay. PHP if there if uh, auth user, okay. So I just want conditional one. So I just ask ChatGPT how to check that conditional. Just copy this. I think we need to have some new explain what it is. Just let me finish this one. Yes, if there is a user, then only we push the records. I will format it shifted. Okay. Here you can see that we have the menu items empty array initialization, right? Hello. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Then we check whether anyone is login or not, right? It checks.
It,
Yep.
it says like if that. Oh,
What
my one.
happened? Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Got
okay, okay.
there. That what happened? Now you can see if I go here and refresh this one, reset one. Okay. Still we have something here undefined
Setting.
value. Yes, cause I think it has this same storage app key settings. Okay, yes, the second one is that we don't have the setting, so we can send the settings directly. First I need to find its controller. Okay, from which controller? It is from the http controller, because settings we are sending customized, right? Auth controller is
Mm-hmm.
there, and
Mm-hmm.
this is the forgot password method. Where is this method? Okay, again need to check the, yes, here routing, right? Here it is app controller auth forgot password controller, app http controllers auth, app controllers http controllers api. Yes, yes, sorry, that api was for api, and here we have the forgot password controller, right? And forgot password controller show link request form, right here, show link request form. Okay, I think this was get extended from existing one, so we need to write again this forgot password controller is right. Again cross check auth forgot password controller and correct. Okay. Yeah.
Because you got
Okay.
reset
Okay.
password
Yes.
and
Yes.
then
No. No.
forget
No.
password.
Yes. It is.
Oh,
This
good.
is the controller path actually. App http controller auth.
Forget password.
Yes. Okay. So that method is not there, but it was extended by the original auth controller. That's we can implement again. Here redefine key because there is no method. No method defined. I want to send custom var settings. Yes, you can override. Means what we have to do, we have to override this. Okay. And okay. Extra data. Okay. I think not, it's not needed, but just this one. Just remember that auth controller we have the mostly here that method is not there, because you can see the what error you have here is that it's saying that you don't have the settings variable, because the by default the auth controller don't have this method, don't have this settings, because we have done dynamic things that logo, another social links and other things that are dynamically coming. So those are in the views, and this auto controller is the basic module, right? That for the Laravel, but Laravel auth module provide us the customization. Okay, yes, we will add this one.
Setting.
Yes,
Setting on.
we will send the settings to it. Okay, yes, that's it. I'll check whether it's solved or not. So the view is one that layout app.blade, and yes, it get called from where. So let me check whether it is the right view we are loading. Yes, reset password, right. Now got you that. Here was the menu. Here is the icon. These are coming from the setting.
I
That's
think
why.
icon it didn't save. The picture didn't save
Yes, yes, it is
for
here.
my section, for my area.
That's why cause that not get uploaded directly. Okay, so you have to
But
do.
in the database got. In
Yes,
database
yes,
got.
yes,
It
yes,
mentioned.
there, but you don't have the file there, and
Yeah.
you
I
also
doesn't have
have
the
to do
pictures on.
one more thing there. You have to link that PHP artisan link. Okay, okay. First we will try this one. Okay, suppose this one is the user, right? We have the
Hmm.
account for this user, and let me set the password recently. Okay, please, okay, before it, right? This one needs the SMTP. Okay, so what to have the work? So what we need, you are going to share them. Okay, so we will do our own SMTP servers. Okay, just for testing, I will do SMTPs. Something like okay. And password or not. Yes. Okay, remember that how you can have the free SMTP login. So here you have to go to account, right? And here in your account also you can do for now, and then go to security, right? We want to send the mail, that's why we are doing this. Okay, and here we have the two-step verification should be on to use the
Yeah.
SMTP. I already have this one, and we have the password. Okay, this one is the main account password, but in the security, the two-step verification is there, and app passwords we need, right? This one is called the app password. Yes, two-step verification. I need to go. Okay, I forgot that password. Okay, wait. I have stored these passwords. Find that passwords. Credential and password. Yes, yes, got the yes. Yes, here we have the two-step authentication enabled, and passkey and securities we don't need it. And here, after enabling two-step verification, the next step is to yeah, the password.
Send email.
No, no, no. We need a app password. Means that password is different from your login password, and we can
Hmm.
use this for the sending mail. Okay. So okay.
Like I say, like any PIN number, right? He will
Okay.
send.
I will search Gmail SMTP. There was guide SMTP settings. So there are steps. Okay. Okay. Yes. App password for Gmail SMTP. Okay. Send me the app password. Go to that Google account, select security. Yes, at the bottom of this page, on the same page, we will have the app password. Okay. So I need to go again here, two-step verification. Yes, and at the bottom, but we can't see the app password here. Okay. Go to security settings. Okay, here, and what it says something. App password is not there. So we will search for app password. Yes, app password. You don't have any app password. Okay. Okay, that link
Uh,
was not there. I just found it by searching it. Okay. So we will say that what's the name of our system?
B
Yes, sir. Okay, just to
K Y
remember B.
K, capital K,
Hmm.
A normal A, S I H.
H, right?
No, normal S. Normal. Okay, I mean small S.
SIH, right?
Yes, I.
And we will
We
create this.
need to. Oh,
Okay, and this is a one-time
we
password we
send the.
have. We need to copy it because it not be available again. Okay, so I just copy it. Okay, I will paste this one in there. Okay, and we have to use it without white space. Okay, remember that this password will send the email to the another users. Okay, with this email, because now the email will be like this, the webtantra 08. Okay, okay, for testing it is okay. And when they say that the company that say your sponsor say that we should send from our email, they just need to change this. Okay, SMTP details. Okay, now we want to set SMTP for Laravel auth
mm,
model, right? You need to set the SMTP, then only emails can send from our system. Okay, and then we will have the emails. Okay. So first thing we have to set up SMTP details here. Okay, so just again open this .env file, our root. Go to root of our project and open the .env file. Here we have the mail ports and like this. Okay, and there are default settings, only password change and username change for the Gmail. I want for Gmail SMTP. So it will give me that correct alias. This one is what we need. So your email address, yes, this one. Okay, we can have. I have pasted my password here, so okay, no problem.
into
So
the NVMe.
yes,
Ah,
you can do follow the same steps. Okay, just replace this one. This line number 33 to 40 is
mm,
okay. Again check line number 33 to 40, and if I paste yes, means we have all the lines. Okay, no line less or less. Just paste this one. Okay, then
mm,
app name is right. Here a mail from you or from me. Okay, here we do VIKASIH, right? Suppose Vikasik at gmail.com is sending this mail, and here the username is the okay. First I copy the password and paste it here, and this one, yes, this one, and this one I will send. And make sure you don't have the spaces there, right? You just have to remove the spaces from this copied password. Getting, and here I think you have to use this email. Which one?
sorry.
Yes, you have to use from which account we have made this. I think from this. So we have to use this email. Okay. Where is this? I will copy that one. And yes, this one. We need to have. I will replace this one. Yes. Now it's fine. So share that one here. Okay, got it. That we have the SMTP. This is the SMTP server of Gmail. Okay, this is by default, and then this is the default port for SMTP for the Gmail. Then this is our username. This is our password. One-time app password we have used, not regular your Gmail account password. So that will not send the email. So you always need a app password, and to have the app password enabled, you must have the two-step verification, just like setting your setting your phone number in the Gmail account, and two-step verification is enabled. Then only you can have the app password. Okay. So just for now, I just skip that because I already have two-step verification enabled for this one. Then keep the
So
protocol
the B
clear.
kasi the I. Remove I. The
PI.
I. 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 No. The after V. After V.
Hmm.
Ah, that's it.
Okay. This right?
Yeah.
VKS. Okay. And Gmail is already in the small letters. That's right. No problem.
Mm.
and app name is taken from app name. Okay, we will change our app name also. VKASIH, right?
Ah, yeah.
Yes, fine. So this one is done, and the next thing what we have to do, yes, now remember to keep your Gmail credentials secure and okay, let it be, no problem. Yes, and always remember once if sometime if you have the problem that you shared your credentials and you if you have the problem you can go here security two-step verifications. Okay, if there is a app password, yes, here because I don't have password previously but now I have the password, then that's why I have this section now. And if I go here and if you find something wrong you can just delete this one. Okay, so if someone is misusing that can be controlled that's because this mail is just like sending from this account only, just it pretends like this. Okay, yes, and it is needed every time because every time you don't have the credential for development you can use this one, and it is also sending the live email. Okay, we will check that one. So if some everything is okay it should work. I will refresh this one, and suppose click to Swapnil, this user forgot his password. Okay, so I
Mm.
just click
Okay.
it here. Okay, and wait, now it is taking time means it is sending email actually. Yes, we have emailed you a password reset link. I just
Password right.
need to
Okay.
go to that email. Okay, and check my Gmail. Yes, I think yes, got it. We have the email. Hello, you are okay. And if I click here, this is our URL automatically created by the Laravel auth model. Okay, and it also have the expiry of 60 minutes. And here you can see you can have the from email, and here we have this one. Okay, and okay, that company will change that SMTP settings. Okay, when they if you share with them you can tell that you can change these things from the environment, right? This one. Okay, guys, you will also update that because the environment file is not get shared. Okay, because it was ignored by the git ignore. Okay, so please update that file. Okay,
Done. Done.
okay, just copy this one and replace the email, and just use this password without white space, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay, and you can have this email. Okay, let's try our reset password functionality. Okay, then we will go to yes, here we also have the error because that has the same issue. Okay, app.blade.php, right? So how we can handle it also? Okay, which method is this? We just need to add the setting, right? Just we did here. So which one is that? Reset password controller show reset form, right? Yes. I will ask the ChatGPT. Actually, I don't know exact that view name. Here also I want to send settings. Well, reset password is a reset password controller, right? Show reset form. No. Please check this one. This one is the reset password controller and show reset form, right? That's right. Reset password controller and show reset form. So where is this one? In the controller inside the auth, the reset password controller, and I need to add the method show reset form, right? I have just asked this one. Yes. And this one. It can mod. Okay. Yes. No, 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 no. Why this one? No. I think that ChatGPT get misunderstood something like this. Manage the from.el. Can already have some details. Yes, just like this. Not this one. I think it's
It is
just like
from.
I think we don't need to send some. Okay, I will ask that. But okay, just the original one method. I have doubt that. Extra data. So he is sending extra data mail from and show reset form method is like this. Yes, this is the original method and we need to modify it. So we will modify it by self because that sometimes you don't just directly trust on ChatGPT. Okay, so this is your reset password and here we have. Okay, and the request
Okay.
I just need to have the request. Okay, just it won't get paid. Let me check this request. It should be HTTP request, right? Sorry, control Z request. Okay, I need to confirm the ChatGPT which HTTP request is this. Okay, he also given the request. Yes. I just need to use that request. I replace this one. So let's come from the yes. Now here we need to send what settings. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
How we can do that? You just do it. Just tell me. Hello, Naresh. Hello.
Next, go to toilet.
First, I have to take variable settings, right?
Mm.
Okay. Just tell me what we can do next. It's very simple. Then what? How we can have all the settings? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me that one sentence. How we can send the settings to the this view? Okay. Here, for this view, we are sending token and email, right? I need to send some data, right? Settings. Hello. Hello, both of you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, where is Naresh?
And next, go to toilet.
Oh, you got what I'm say asking you or not? Okay, we
Mm.
need to send data, right? Then only that error
Oh,
will
yes.
log because this was the default function. We are overriding. Okay, and let's check again. Yes, here I was here. Yes, yes. Now I have the email. I need to have the new password. Suppose I will change my password from 1 to 6 to 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Again I have
Mm-mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I click on reset password. Now my password is changed. Okay. What happened?
Mm.
The home. Okay, it redirecting me to home. Okay. The problem, yes.
Okay.
Yes. What we do, we will add the route of that home. Okay. Actually, redirecting is here. I will not change that because many times we have this one. To have this one, how we can have? Just go here in the web, right? So this one and home should be same. I will do something like this. Okay. So okay. Here is the admin home, right? We have the admin home. Then again, it is for the manager. Okay, this not needed. And auth, and then user home is there and volunteer home is there. But we don't have the route for the home. And home should be the same as the root of our project. Okay, control Z.
Okay, sir.
Just copy this route, line number 26. We just made this yesterday, and just write home here. So next time, if someone reset the password, he will redirect to the home page. Got it?
Great, sir.
Yes, this is the same method is load, same view will be load, but we have to mention that because our system doesn't know where is the home route. Okay, so done. This is done also. They okay, so all emails will work now. Okay, okay, user home is there. Yes, okay, that user is logged in
Okay.
now because it will be automatically logged in once you change that password. Reset password was there, so you can get this. Yes. And next thing, we have to do one thing that I think we have to send email, right? When someone okay, we need the actions and triggers where for the emails, right? That which email we want to send. Okay, so you know the conditions from if those occur, we need to send the okay, event and email. Okay? Okay, the first one is that when someone request for the right request to join as volunteer. Barabar. If someone join as volunteer, we will send email to admin, right? Okay. And then next is if admin rejects, accepts, reject or accept request, then email should send to that user, volunteer user, volunteer. Okay. We can send request. Okay. So yes, these two things are done, and I think any extra for new event you want the emails to all the volunteers. Hello.
Sorry, sir.
If there is new event, can we send emails to all the volunteers? I am asking that. Do we need to send that one or not? Suppose organization want to have some new event, okay, and admin created the new event, right? And then we want to inform all the users by email or not. Okay, we will ask the Naresh, but these two emails are important, I think, right? When someone send request to join the volunteer, and we will send the email to admin that someone requested to join as a volunteer. Okay, so okay, if you remember this one here, okay, you need to wait. This is slow. We already close all those in. Yes, here. This is our database, and we have the volunteer request, right? And here you can see that when someone sends the request, it is in pending, and okay, here I will show that send password reset link is done. So say yes, here we have, and suppose user is login, that normal user is there, right? User login, and your volunteer status is pending, right? Okay, now what we do? Okay, we log out there, and suppose someone registers, and yes, like this, and that's all. Okay, I will have this one new user, right? Because all other things are done. I just copy all other emails we already tested. Yes, and I create some password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 just for testing, and I register here. Okay, and I have this password and register. He is logged in here. You can now the first condition is that he should update the profile, right? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I just created the new account with the register page. Okay. Here, and I need to apply. Okay. first of all, we are discussing about the sending the emails. Okay, when someone
Mm.
requests to join the volunteer, right?
Yeah.
We will send email to admin, right?
Yes.
Yes, that user is. So that's we are testing. So that's why I have created the new user here, this
Mm.
one, and you can apply to become a volunteer after completing your profile. That's why I need to complete the profile, right?
Yes.
I will complete the
So
profile
after
with some
completing,
data.
just
Okay,
but
so
sometime the keys, if they return, it will told them to fill up another one.
yes, sir. So they can't apply. Just the apply button is only available if they. Okay, I will just fill this data for testing. Just do faster, 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 faster. Then work, the profile, then skills. Okay, we will select only one thing now. And okay, and I just have the date and update. Okay, sir. Contact number is remaining. Okay, that number is already there. I will apply
So
zero.
it's already been
Yes. So whatever.
the
Yeah.
interested now.
Now update. Okay, you don't have the access to home. Why this happening?
We register as volunteer, but it can.
Okay. Type. We have the error with the type type. So this one is for the edit profile, right?
Hmm.
Yes. From the
Upload plan.
yes, just we have to go for
Background.
the home controller, right? And we have the edit profile. Okay, and then we have the store profile. Actually, this one is the store profile, and here at the volunteer, volunteer, and we will redirect to volunteer role. But sorry, got the problem? Sorted? Yes, we needed double equal. We need to compare. And we have solved that one for the update one, right? Here we have solved already. But here we not. We have just, that's the problem. You got it? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Got the problem that we have to compare that and we directly assign the value. That was wrong.
Wait, sir. Let me see. Let me see.
Yes. Okay, now you can just like this. Okay. If I
This
save this,
number.
update this again.
The interest field also empty.
Yes,
Right?
this card number
Oh,
is also.
you already sent.
Okay, yes. Yes, now, and if I have the update, yes, now it can. That was the problem. Just go to that home controller and update this line number 183.
It's
Okay, change it from the single equal to double equal to
if line number 181.
183.
Type oh one equal. Okay.
Okay, and now,
Okay.
okay,
Now okay.
yes, okay, fine. Then it's
Fine.
none. Okay, you have tested at your side something with extra email. Okay, and now okay, now apply for volunteer, but just don't click now because we want to implement. Okay, you can just, we need to send email to admin, right?
Mm.
Here we need to send the email to admin. Apply for volunteer. I just need to check from where this request is taken. Yes, from here volunteer request we take the user ID and we update that request. And
Volunteer
yes,
request and then
here
you go
we
to
need to
pending.
send email to admin. Okay, and admin email is what? The first record. Okay, okay. And one more thing I want to ask that that admin email or we need to send it to uh, where? That the company email.
What's that? Sorry.
We need to send it to company email. This one,
Yeah, like the
company.
admin.
Admin is there. Okay. Okay, we will change that login with the admin. Admin email we will also change. And now we will send it to the company email. We just created dynamic yesterday, right? That one we have done in the settings, right? Here we have the company email. Hello?
Yes.
We will
Yeah.
send to this email also. Okay, we can send two email also. Just remember the capacity of free emails for the Gmail is 300 per day. You can send 300 emails per day. Okay. Otherwise, you need to create that custom SMTP server at your server endpoint, and then you can send that one. Okay. So yes, just here I need to send the email. Okay. Let us check here. Uh, we'll take also the matter from ChatGPT. Okay. So I will say mail B. Take partition make mail. Okay. Yes, here is something different. Okay, if I want to send a volunteer request, I will send new app volunteer mail request verification. Okay, this one and this. Okay. Send different way. Mail to admin email, right, and send new request verification. Also, ideal view email with proper matter. So request join me as volunteer is received from of user email is okay. So he will give us some matter like this, and the request is received, all those things. Okay. Okay, certainly below is the example. Here as well. Okay. And now it is time to learn how to send email with the Laravel. Okay. So when we want to send email using the Laravel, okay, this one is also done. First, we need to make the email. Okay. So just like we made the models, we made the controllers. Yes, using the artisan, we will make this one. Okay. Just copy this one. Okay, I will share this one with you. Okay, today check whether you can access this one. That time, okay, that one is the setting.
Oh,
Yes, that's why 404 error was there. Now you can see the current ChatGPT chat. Okay. Just check it and let me know. Can you see this one today?
wait, okay.
Yes. Okay. Nice. Uh, okay. If you done all other things, just come and do this PHP artisan make mail volunteer
Artisan
request
make.
notification, and just go to root of our project, open the terminal, new terminal, and fire this command. Okay. Wait for a while.
PHP artisan. It's a very
Okay. I will delete old terminals. Okay. So it will also give me the location. It is in EasyGonzi app mail. Okay. Here. And here subject volunteer request notification, and here we have the view. Okay, and again we need to change it the build function. Okay, this is the build function, and function is not there. I think this one is the old one, right? This one
Uh-huh.
is the old code. Okay, okay, we need to check because I think this solution is there, but we don't have the build method. We have another methods like view and name, content, all those things. Okay, first I share with the ChatGPT. If that knowledge don't have in ChatGPT, we will need to find another solution. Okay, from the Google search. Mail. Okay. So you are trying to define the mail content using the Laravel mailable approach introduced in Laravel 8. However, there are some issues with the current implementation. Let's correct it. Yes, yes, yes. Build. So let's push notification. Let's say like this. Okay, it has given the solution, but it is not exactly something like this. Let's search Laravel 10 send email. So this is one time needed. Okay, Laravel 11 is given. Laravel 11 documentation is there. Okay, we don't need it. Documentation not needed. We need the proper solution. Okay. Yes. If you go here is a new project created. So this step is done, right? We have set up the environment variable, and next is we also made the make email. Okay, and how we had done envelope. Yes, demo content is demo mail. Yes, right. This one was created. Okay, so here public function was there. Let me check whether it's same. Okay, like this. And step for create controller. Okay, we already have the controller, we already have the method, we just need to call it. Okay, it properly. And mail to is there, and from send demo mail to mail data. But okay, mail to, okay, to whom we want to send. And okay, so first of all what I do, I will send email to myself. Okay, just to check, right? Hello, hello.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay, so just remember, here is the
Mail that.
this we need to change, and okay, so we need to have, but we also need to change this one, that volunteer mail. And I think this one is okay, but we need to have the template. I think this mail not have any, okay, it also given the view. Yes, right, right, we have this one. Okay, we will do it by cell. First of all, the mail should be fired from where the volunteer request. Okay, just before redirecting, you will save the request and then send the mail. Okay, send email to admin. Okay, just for now, I will send the email to myself. To Swapnil at gmail.com. Okay, just for testing, because if that mail went to that those person will have the problem. Okay. And our mail is volunteer request notification. So we don't have the demo mail. We have the volunteer request notification. This is our mail name. We just created,
Oh,
right?
it's me.
Yes.
It get the information from the email and then go to for the notification.
Because yes, when you fire that command like this, php artisan make, that mail
Ah,
is
yeah, it
created
will
in the
pop
main
out in the
folder. Yes,
mail.
yes.
Okay.
And in the mail, I think I will also import that one. Yes, this one is part mail. Yes, which mail is there? Just I need to confirm because multiple mails are there. Yes, this one is Illuminate support fragments mail. Let me check. Yes. No, it's direct use mail. Okay, I think we sometimes it have the problem. We already defined that one, so it can. If not work, we will try. So this data, mail data, right? And we are sending that data to this one, this component we are sending. This component we have just created. Now we need to adjust it. Okay? I need some data, and again I need the view. Okay? So first let's say here is the controller, right? Okay, it's app main, right? It's app main. Here also in the home controller,
Web dot
replace
home control.
app slash main. Okay, replace this one. App main. Okay, not I have to use the use app main. Now I think it is right. Controller. No, still it's saying something. Okay. If that error shows, we will just adjust that import. Okay. And here we are. Now again, yes, we need to define some public variable that should be accepted from the as a parameter for mail data. Okay, this is the mail data. Next is that, and here, yes, in the construct, we have to set that mail data from the input mail data. This construct we just seen. What is this? That get executed first. Okay. Okay, what's that one? Undefined variable mail data. Let's see again what we already defined that one. Public mail data. Here. Here return new envelope. Here we need to have some subject, right? Yes, sir. Volunteer request notification. Okay. This one is right, I think. Yes, this will be the subject of our when admin receives the email. This will be the subject. So this subject is set from here.
Request notification subject.
Yes, this is the subject.
Okay.
Then
Small then.
we can change this one. That new. Okay. So we can say that new volunteer request received. Okay. So notification instead of that. We will we will have the email subject like this. If we have something like this in our Gmail. You know the subject. I think that every email has a subject like this. Yes, this is the subject, that the bold line. This will be the subject. Then we will have the matter there. The next thing is that content is there, and content we are rendering. Okay.
The demo.
Yes. Email demo mail. Okay. And this one okay, we are not sending attachment right now. So okay. Here view and the name of the view. Just like we are rendering the views, right, from the controller. Like this, we are rendering the email before sending it. Okay. And I just need a template. Yes, this one. Okay. ChatGPT already given us the template as per the subject, right? We can use the template. This one we are not using. We are using the updated one because ChatGPT is updated till I think 2022. That's why don't have the, because it says about Laravel 8, but we are using the Laravel 10. So that's why I skipped that one. This one is the view. Okay. So okay, I just confirm the directory of view again. It is same as our view directory. Yes, it is resources directory only. I will create the emails folder there separate, and then have the I can say volunteer request dot php, blade.php. To do this, okay, go to root of our project. Okay, I already resources in the views. Create a new folder called email. Emails, you can say. Inside that, we need to create a new view. resources view emails. Okay, I will create a new file here. Let's say volunteer request.
Admin.
Okay, volunteer request dot blade dot php. Name
It's
can
an
be anything that
email.
we just need to call this. No, not in admin. I have created new folder there, right?
Mm.
In the resources view, I have created emails folder. So don't mix up. These are the views, another views, and all the emails will be views will be here only. Okay. Okay. Now I have this name. Now go to the home controller. Okay, not here. Go to that email notification email and view. Okay, just check that the name was demo emails demo email, and how he called here, that one here, emails dot demo email. So how you will call it, that content emails dot the name of that volunteer request. Okay, I just have the F2 and copy the name. So the spelling should be same. I don't need that blade. Okay, just remove that blade. Okay, this one is the content. Okay, yes, now so I think yes, and then we have to fire that mail only. And yes, here they use the use mail only. Let's see if we have some error, we can just apply the, okay, route is already done. Okay, okay, so that one was our existing method where volunteer can send the request, right? But what I want, that in the same request I want to refer the, okay, I will change this one. Okay, we can change the title and all those things again. Okay. And remember this title and body, just look here. Okay, I need to have this one. Where is our, okay, that view? So I need to have something there in the blend. Okay. Here are, you can see the username and user email is there, right? So I need to send the user name and email. Okay. So that one was the demo purpose, right? That's why he given the title and body. But I need the user email, okay, and username, right? I need to find the user email and user name, and okay, user email. Here is the user ID, auth user, right? I think auth user email also directly we can have the email, because this one is the current user login, right? So just auth user and email. So this is the user email, and the username, instead of username, yes, username is actually the auth user name only. It's not the login username, but we need to have the name of that user, particular user, that who is login. So this is just, okay. Okay, I will round up again this all the things. Just don't worry. Okay. We first test it whether I get this the mail of that notification, and what is the next, and okay, yes, this one is right, this one here, this one is fine now. If someone here, okay, we will see mail data, and yes, just try to fire this one. So it will get fired when I apply as a volunteer. Okay. I will open my Gmail also to see. Okay. Just fire this one. Apply for volunteer. Yes, what happened? App mail not found. Yes, that was only the error. Okay, I will start repeating exact mail variable maybe. The problem is in our home controller. this one you have to use. Yes, this one. So that one was suggested by the. Yes, there are many versions of Laravel. Every time they change that one. So that's the
Well,
problem. So just that was the import was wrong. You have the similar name, but that is the object of another class. Okay?
uh,
Yes, that's why the problem. Let's
oh,
try again. Okay, again, integrity constraint duplicated it
volunteer
on
request
user
user
ID.
ID.
Okay, what happened? Volunteer request and
User ID, the primary key, I think.
uh, volunteer request. Yes. Okay, no, there is
User
no
ID.
integrity constraint violation.
Okay.
Yes. I think something wrong with the rule. Okay? Integrity constraint violation. Duplicate entry 8 for the volunteer. Yes, yes. Okay, got it. That we are trying to do same thing again. That's why the problem here. First, I just sent the request, and again we are trying to update this one. Okay, but this time it should not say the sending the request like this. Okay? Save. Yes, we must check that volunteer request user ID is this, and we are sending a status pending. Now here, volunteer request is there, user ID. I need to check whether that user already have the request sent, and I need to skip that request. Okay. Okay. Already request sent by user, then we must not
There is
because we already have the constraint that one user can only send that one request. Okay.
because
So because
yesterday
what
also got
happened? Okay, okay. That what happened? The code was failed here, right? But it updated the
actually
table
that's right.
already. That it made the entry in the table already. That's why, and we are refresh. When I press the refresh, it's again try to run this code again, and again wanted to have the entry there. But we have already rule there. We should not have extra there. So what will it do? If existing user, it will check. If there is no existing user, then only it will send the mail. Okay. And home. Yes. Now it's fine. We are redirecting to home only. Yes. Yes. This one is right. Yeah. Yes. This one is correct. Like existing user auth. And yes, that's also right. But the point of view, why the error occur? You got this one or not? Hello? Hello? Hello, both of you?
Can
Yes.
volunteer request, but
Let's
just
see.
now.
What happened? Now I have the barrier that if existing because that rule was applied. Okay. Why this occur?
But just now
And
we
okay, here if you go here we have the tree,
uh
and in the model, yes, here you if you check here in the model, there from there only it works. Okay? So in the model, if you go to the volunteer request, you have the belongs to, and it means one user ID, one ID. Means only one. Means it's like the foreign key. This one. Okay. This one here. That's why what was happening that we are trying to update that one. We are trying to add the new record in that, right? And then
mm,
it what is this constraint that it belongs to user ID. That's why. Because we apply that one user ID can send only one request. Okay, right? If I am a user and if I send request, I should not send the request again and again, right?
mm.
That's why. So we we can update the record, but we can't have the data with the 8. So what happened? That was run previously because that was the error of mail, and now this will be the different. So here we can't test it, right? Okay. Still it is saying this. I think I have saved that one. Home controller. Our home controller is there. Environment controller just like this here. The home controller. Yes, I haven't saved that. That's not the problem. Just save this and again refresh. Yes. No. Okay. I think here we are not showing any error, so we will need to show that. How we can show that? Yesterday we did this in all pages. Hello,
Yes, sir.
remember that one? How we show that error?
Admin.blade.
Yes, actually that was admin, but this is the normal user. He is neither admin neither volunteer, right? So we need to go homeblade.png.
Home page.
Yes.
Home page.
Here, I think just below that you are user something is written, right? Okay, hello Swapnil, you are user, right? I just find this you are user name, and above that line we will give the message control F. Okay, I was in layout. It should not be in layout. I should be here. Yes, hello you. Yes, this one. Actually, we done this one for the status. Okay, again I have to do the same. Status. Okay, I have to do for the error. And here the status is something we have done. I think. Status. Now for if I have the error, right, in the session, if I have error, I should show this in a warning, right? And session warning. I need to show. I think it should be success. I think it should be success. By mistake, we have done this one. Okay, let's try again. Save it and just refresh this one. Okay, and okay, you can't send the request. Okay, just for testing of email, our main purpose is testing. So what I do, I manually delete this row. Okay, I manually delete this row. Okay, just for testing because we need to check the
Okay.
testing email. Yes, now
It will.
we can.
It
Yes,
will
got
ask for
it.
the. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So my profile is already complete. I think yes, it is completed.
That's
Again,
why the button may appear.
Yes, that's why we have the button. Yes, that's logical. So this time I should also see the message here, and I should have the email also if everything is correct. Okay, so apply for volunteer. Yes, undefined
Mail
variable
data.
mail data. Yes, that's the problem. Okay, this one is okay. The problem is that for the construct mail data is there, right? I think I need to send that to the construct also. That's why the problem. Again, I think I need to delete that record again. Okay. Yes, notification is there. Yes. This. I just save this one. Okay. I go to here and browse it and delete this request because otherwise we are not able to send the email. Okay. Now I refresh it. Yes. Fine. Now I want to apply as a volunteer. Okay, username is undefined. Username is undefined. We already sent this one. Wait. What happened? This mail data is sent, and here I think we haven't sent any data to this one volunteer request. So let me check again here. Volunteer request. Okay, we already have this one. Mail data. Public mail data is there. Okay, let me check in the view how they represented the title. Okay, yes, like this. I should have the mail data before the user name and this one. Okay, it should be mail data and the key is username, right? Okay, yes, we have to do the same. Again, we have to send 2-3 mails, right? this next time we will not have this problem. Just for testing, again browse and again delete this one. Okay. So again cancel. I will do first. Now, at the string conversion, main data username. Main data username. It's say for array to string conversion. It's saying it is not a string. It's saying that it is not a string. That email ID is not the exact email. Okay, not user email and not here. So we can die it here. Just here we can die. Random mail. Check what's the problem here. I think okay, wait. Here we can have the variables also. No, we don't have this one. Okay, debug we have. There is a that's not there. String conversion. Yes. Okay. Better we do this one for first off. We'll say what we have in the user email and username. They say it's not a string. It's string. Okay, again I need to delete this one. And refresh. Yes, it's string only. Yes, it's right, and it's directly the string and why? Okay, then we send this one data over in here. Yes. Okay, let's see. Where is our home controller? I just comment it now. Okay, this one is our mail and this one is our view. And okay, the problem is that I have double dollar. Oh, sorry guys.
Which one, sir? Email.
Double dollar
What?
was there. I had this one. I just while copy pasting.
Oh, double dollar.
Yes, that's the problem. That's why it became there. It's very. Okay, now let's go back, refresh, and it will send email and also gives the message. Once I have submitted, we will let you know once the admin responds. Okay, that's fine. And now I have to check for yes, I got that email. Okay. So name of the user's email, and please take necessary actions. Okay, got it?
What is it?
Yeah, this way the admin will get notified when someone registers.
Oh,
Sorry, someone request for the volunteer. For there might be many people that register. The admin doesn't need to have that. Only serious candidate who complete their profile and apply as a volunteer. Okay, because there can be thousands of users. You can just log in and check. Okay. So this one is done, first one, and the next email is there. The next condition is that I think this one is done. Just make it a okay, highlight it with the green color. That it's done. If admin rejects or accept the request, then email should send to that user volunteer.
user.
Right? Yes, that your request is accepted or rejected. Okay. So we do the same thing. We will make another one. Okay. So how we can do this one? We need a email. Okay, I just have up arrow key. Now the volunteer request result. Okay, I can say volunteer request result. Okay, we can give it any name. Yes,
Volunteer request result.
result. You can give any name. Again, I need to have some view. Okay, just here in the email, create a new view. Volunteer request result. Result we are saying, or we can say anything. .php, right? depend upon it. It's conditional that if it is accepted, we say that greetings, your request is received, and we will see that. Okay. First of all, I need to configure that email. Okay. So first go to that mail voluntary request. Right? Here I should have the main data, right? Main data I needed. Then I need a variable public mail data. Okay. And at the construct, the main data is got from the parameter as a parameter. So I will set this mail data to the parameters mail data received from the caller where that get called. Okay. So this one is done construct. So envelope volunteer request. Behind notification important we can say what we can say volunteer status of your notification of your volunteer request. Okay, we can change that one also. I not getting to the correct title, but it can be important status of your volunteer request notification. Okay, volunteer request. Okay, here emails and what's the name? Volunteer request result. F2 just copy here this one. Okay, and fine. And we will write some name. I just copy this structure and then we will change the matter manually. Okay. Hello. Here we need a username, right? Hello. That one and yes. Again,
Oh,
we
it
will.
mentioned whether what to the
Yes, we will make it conditional that we use the if and if right like this. So first I need to find that method from where the admin that okay. Just take this example, this email. Okay. So I just log out and now log in as the admin. Okay. Suppose admin just received this one. Okay. Receive mail and he went to that system and log in. Okay. So this one. Okay. And yes, you know that we have two pending requests, right?
mm,
So he click here and find that one. Yes, I think here I should also mention the Gmails, okay, emails here, volunteer request. So to have this one, how I can do? This one is loaded from the volunteer request. Okay. Views. I think yes, we have the request blade here. Yes, here. And here we can have the name and at the same time we can have the okay, just have the email also. So here and then I just have the email. I think this is the last part for the admin. I think. And once we have the emails, then we okay like this. Okay, here is the request one, and I need to the admin can check his detail that he has filled that, verify that, and can either approve it or reject it, right?
yes,
Yes, and
two seconds.
yes, and I need to have okay. I think we have defined these two methods separately in the admin controller. That accept and reject. Let's start in the admin controller, and then I have the volunteer request view. Okay, now after this is the approval, and this is for the rejection. So first let's check with the approval. Okay, and yes, here is that volunteer request and user that success and save this one volunteer request updated. Okay, if that request not found. Okay, so if you find that request and we have that user, we just have here of that user. Okay, so what I need, okay, just to our home controller, how we called it. Just close this one. This many things are open. Just close this. This one also close. This one is the admin controller. Then volunteer request. This the reset password. I will close. Email files. Okay, let it be. Those files I think never be. Close this one. This one I also close. Email files. Email almost. So forward password we don't need. This one is needed. Home controller is needed. Okay, web that route is also not needed. Index is not needed. Just for while, so we can work correctly. So this one is also not. If we need, we can controller create event, then edit that. Yes, now it's fine. Here we have sent the email, right? But same email we are not going to fire. Okay. Yes, I will import both the things. First I need to volunteer request result. I want volunteer request result. Volunteer request result is needed. Okay, that get that's one. And that proper mail object is needed. Mail class is needed to import. So this one I will import at the top, right here. Okay, so yes, here. Here I also need the okay. This one. Yes, I also need this variable. We change the commands, the comments also. Send email to user for status update. Okay. Here auth control auth is needed. It's easy. That's only one auth we have. Okay, not need auth here because this is the admin controller. We don't need it. Just okay, we need different thing. How we can get the email of that user? Hello.
Whenever
Here we
we
have this one. Okay, we already have the user, so it is just a user email, not auth user. Just it is a user email. Because we already
user
have this one, and we also have the user name, right? Okay, and then we have mail to that one, and this time we have to mail to that user particularly, so not to that some static. So we will send mail to
we
that
no need to
user
go
directly. So yes,
okay.
and then we have the same data. And what we say that sorry that inform you that your request was rejected, and if accepted, greetings and something like this. Okay. So here I also need to send that variable accepted or not, right? That accepted. Here accepted is one. I will say one means yes. Okay. And okay, I will ask ChatGPT to make that a proper matter, so it will make proper English and all those things. Okay. And I will save this one in the view emails and volunteer request. Okay, volunteer request. Make a conditional email view that either greetings, your request accepted to join as volunteer, don't need it. Just okay. Accept that. Where is the email?
Oh,
We need
it's
the last one.
told
Okay,
us to do.
we don't need this one. We just need this one because we already implemented all those things. Dear user, voluntary request rejected. Can I use the conditional if else and use only one view? I just asking him. If not, currently he gives me the answer that you should have the two different emails.
Oh, sir, sorry.
Okay. Currently, he give me the answer that he
Uh,
used two different emails. Okay, that but I want to combine them, right? So here, yes, yes, we can. That if accepted, else not. Okay, this one is needed, but I need some changes here. Okay, if accepted equal to what? Okay, it is not accepted directly. It is the main data accepted, right? Here is something different. The title, the main data, right? I need to have this one every time. So first one is the title also changes. That voluntary request accepted, voluntary request rejected, right? And here we also have the main data. Because the answer was given by the old for the old version of the Laravel. So now I converting it to that the Laravel 12. Okay. So best and regards can have the okay. We will take this one from the mail also. Mail data. Company name. Okay. Company name. So here, congratulations, you are joining request. Okay, dear. Okay, that's his name will be there, and I also want his email. Congratulations, your request to join volunteer has been accepted. We look forward with you. Accepted. Okay. What we do? We will do like this. Just below that, in the bracket we will see okay. Dear, and just below this one we will have another rounded bracket, and inside that we will have the mail data, right? Mail data user email, right? User email. So for right now, how many variables are there? Accepted, user name, user email, and company name. Total 4 variables are there, right? So
yeah.
out of that, here we have 3 variables, right? Accepted is there. It mail accepted equal to 1. Here I need to have 1. Okay. And here also mail accepted should be equal to 1. Then this one, otherwise we will have another one. Okay, that rejected message. So this one is done, and I need to have the settings. Okay. Sorry. I need to have the setting, right? And from the setting we will have the company name, right? Yesterday we have created that CRUD, and here we have this company name, right? So I will ask ChatGPT. Okay. From settings table. Impact. Equal to okay, this one is simple. So I haven't take old approach that settings all and finding all settings and sending them, because that's not the proper approach. So that one I want that optimized one. So this one is taken. come here. Okay. Yes, that. Okay. So now we have all the four variables which we are using in this mail. Okay. One more improvement, I think it has suggested the subject title, or we keep this one. What improvement it has suggested that you can check, yes, this accepted, or is this one? Yes, this one. This one is the subject. Okay. So this one was for the old structure. Okay. And now it has something different, that it separated the subject here. Okay. So just here I have calculated this one. Okay. So this time I have to check that this mail data and its accepted key is that particular one. And if that key is equal to 1, then I said voluntary greetings, voluntary request accepted. And here we can say sorry or something. Okay, I say I am
Greeting request accepted.
important. Okay, we just don't say sorry something. We say important voluntary request accepted. And here subject, I need to send that subject. Okay. So this will also the dynamic one. Got it? So instead of static message, we have just calculated the subject from the accepted, right? And we set that subject here. Okay? And the content is directly taken from this view, the mail view. Okay? Subject is set from this one, and also content is set from this one also. But this one, and then it calls that particular view. That's why we have to change the here. Okay, and company name, all those things are set. Okay, now just save this one and try it now. Okay, and again now look at this one. We just need to copy the same thing and do the same thing for the voluntary request reject, right? This one is there, voluntary request reject is here, and here I need to do, after I save the record of rejection in our system, and here I just need to send 0. Okay, that automatically send that particular message. Okay, so we will check that one. So here I am okay. So just admin checking the details, and suppose that admin wants to approve his request. Okay, let's check that that user should get the email. Okay, approve. Yes, the email has been sent, but what happened, we don't show this messages here, that's why the problem. So I will add this message to volunteer request page. So go to that view, volunteer, and here is the index page. I think in the index page we have added this one, success, and this one, and like this. Okay, okay, here also we need to add for the error. Just copy, alert, warning, and session error message will be shown. And now I will copy this thing and also update this in the request at the top, at the card body. Okay, Control V, Alt Shift F, format properly, save it. Again we will check that. Okay, first I need to check whether I have the email or not. So I go here, and yes, I should have email. Yes, because the sender mail is same, that's why instead of system I have from myself, right? Greetings, your request accepted, but thing is that nothing get what happened here, nothing get converted, right?
Oh, it didn't pop out the
Yes,
email. It
so
just
we
give the
need to
coding.
solve this error. Okay, we need to solve this. Okay, the thing here is this one is right. Okay, and we have the old one, right? That admin have received the email, right? And in that email I think it get properly rendered. Yes, if I see Yes, here proper rendering here. Just we need to check the syntax. This one is the new, and this one is the old. Here we have. Okay, we need to have some spaces here. Also, like this. I think yeah, spaces are there also. Control F. Okay, yes. I think subject was right. Control F.
Huh?
Nothing.
Sir?
Subject is right.
Yeah, the user
Yes,
name.
subject is right. Greeting volunteer request accepted. That's right.
Yeah, that one okay.
Only we
Okay.
have the problem. Yes. Okay. And I think we also not get that company name. Yes. Okay. We haven't implemented that one.
But sir, this one, the volunteer, as this notification is for the admin, right?
Yes. This one. No. This one is for
Oh, this one
volunteer.
volunteer. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Let's check. Okay. The thing is that we. Okay. We already have. Here we have some space. Okay. This one is for volunteer request, and this one is for admin. Here we have the spaces, right? And here, okay, if I have the space, does okay, this one is for admin. I just close this. Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Volunteer request. Yes, this one. Volunteer request blade, and this is the result. Okay, this one is the result. Oh yeah, yes, here the wrong one. This one is not okay. I will cut this one. I don't need this company name here. I save this. This email is to. I think we just mess up that. I mixed this one.
This one, enough, sir. The one.
Yes, yes. I have messed with that. Okay, let me again fix this one. Home controller. We are sending the volunteer request notification, right? And this notification have the emails volunteer request, right? So I will go there. Emails volunteer request. I just have this one. Emails volunteer request. Yes, this one. This should go to admin, right? So I just control there. I think.
Dear.
Not. Yes. This one is now correct, right?
The double dollar.
Yes.
Okay, that's what
Yeah.
we correct.
Yes. This one is for the admin. Okay.
Ah,
And the result one is should be for the user. So I think we can. Where is that one? Okay. I will copy that and recreate it. That one. Yes. This one is for the user. Dear user, and your request is received on like this. Control A. I think I have. Yes. Username is right, and we have just added only the email and the company name. Okay. So I just need to have the uh, mail data, and inside that I should have the company name, right? And here I also have the mail data. Mail data have the username, right? This one, just like this, mail data username, and this one is the email, right? And this request here at the bottom, I will show the email just in rounded bracket. The user will know that yes, I have sent the request from that email. Okay, it will also know that. So the username, user email, and company name. And yes, now save this one. Again, it was called from this one, company name, right? Accepted. Copy this one. Where is this blade? This one. No, this one is the mail. Yes, I have also changed this one. I just just mix it this right. Control C, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, this one is yes. Yes, Control Z again. Control Y. Oh, that is right. That is right. Sorry.
Which one, sir?
This one is right. This voluntary
Just now
request ratio. Because this is
it's
for
giving
the
problem.
result. Yes. Yes, and this one is for the uh, for the admin. Yes. No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Hello. Hello there.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this is the result term. Okay. So we will again cross check it. Okay. So I just fix this one. And the result we have the condition, right? Okay, we don't have the condition here. I just need to check where is this? Yes, this one is the condition. Okay, I think I just need to add this one. Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The problem was that I had the issue.
Username and
Okay, so Control C, Control F.
the
I will do
there is
the fast this time. Mail data, right?
mail data.
And I will add the bracket here. And then I add the Control Z. The mail data and it is accepted, right? If that is accepted and is equal to 1, then this one is done. And the mail data and we should compare, we should have the username. I'm going to inform them. Then if mail data accepted, right? And if that equal to 1, right? Then we will have this message. Otherwise, rejected. Okay, and your organization we should have the name, mail data, and we should have the company name, right? Okay. Now done. Now check this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will try to test it. Okay, first I need to check the spelling of this variable, right? So here, yes, Control F, Control V. It should match. Yes, it's matching. So let's test again. We don't need to delete anything because we can accept and reject anytime. So okay, again here in our system I refresh and I approve it. Okay, so this time I think yes, voluntary request updated successfully, and okay, now I need to go here and check the Gmail.
So the notification will be sent to the
User, right? Yes,
accepted
the problem is
transaction.
that yes, this one.
The else, sir, the else any show.
No, all thing is shown. So I just need
The
to check the things with the chat GPT. Okay? So why this one is occurring, and first one was right. Okay, this is got in email. I think we need to parse it. Oh, I got the problem. Okay, you got the problem. The problem is just we don't have the blade. So it not get parsed. Got it? Problem was it was not the blade. So if I now send the again I send the accept approval request. Now we will have the mail. Yes. And we can now another email. Yes, now got it. Hello. Hello. Okay, are you there? Any?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Good.
Got the problem? Hello.
Okay.
The
Yeah, yeah.
problem was that it was not rendered as a blade, and all those syntax are blade engine syntax, right?
Index.
So
Okay.
yes, that blade engine. So that's why I should have the blade in the view, in the name of the view, right? That was present in the admin email, but not in the sorry.
Or result blade.
Yes, that's the problem only. Okay. Yes, this work fine now. Okay. So yes, these two conditions are done. Is any extra condition we have? Okay, I will also test for the rejection. Suppose I reject his request. Okay, I go here. I
Accept.
reject this time. I'm just testing that.
Okay.
Okay, and okay, yes, I have the rejected. We regret to inform that. Yes, the condition is also working fine. Yes, congratulations. Yes, okay. So
Okay, sir.
yes, done. And we also have the company name. Okay. Okay. The next thing, I think this over for the website and all those things. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Anything update needed in the website?
Uh, this one is okay then.
Okay, fine. So I think all is done. I will push the code to Git. This time you just have to do the Git push, the Git pull only. You don't need to have the new database and all those things. Okay, I think we haven't created any new database right now, right?
Sorry, sir. Again.
We today not created any new database, right?
View database. No,
New
sir.
no dat new database is created or not? Let me
We
check again. Okay, in the migrations we have the date.
HTTP.
Database migration. The last migration is on 7/5. Okay, today is 8/5. Okay, yes. So you don't need to update the database. Just git full. Once I finish this one, git add.
Git pull.
Okay, wait. Git add.
But sometimes the some files is didn't found. Whenever I clone only, I can see some file.
Because some error might be there. That error message you have that one. Git commit notification email sending. Okay. And finally git push. Okay. Yes, now you can get pull. Okay, and okay, we will move to ionic amp.
Okay. Sir, can I okay? Can I ask something,
Yes, yes.
sir? Sir, okay. The user, normal user. I as a normal user, I register. After register, I use my own Gmail, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I log in into the password and then it say update profile.
Yes, yes.
After I update profile, it say mention that you can apply for volunteer.
Yes, yes.
And then after update apply for volunteer, it will say your current status is in pending because the admin haven't accept ready.
Yes.
So once the admin accept ready,
Yes.
the particular user become volunteer. So the what will he see? Like example, like the page will he see?
Okay,
Will he
he
see the
will.
volunteer section or what?
Yes. Was okay. Now this one was login, right? So
Okay.
previously you have seen that it has that painting and like this. Okay. We will. Okay. Okay. Settings. Okay. Now the just remember that we have rejected the request, right? So that tantra is there, and okay. Yes, it is rejected. So he can't see anything, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and now, okay, what we can do, the request is where, here, volunteer request. So I programmatically make it as a success. I think it is accepted or success. Okay, I don't know. I will log in with the admin and make it accepted, right? So I just log in with the admin, easy currency admin. Yes, this one. Okay, got it. That will work like a normal user because we are also changing its type. for the
Mm.
safety. So okay,
Pending status
yes,
volunteer.
yes,
Okay.
I will go here, few details, right? And again I go here and I approve his request now. Cause suppose due to some mistake or later we approve that if they fill the criteria of the organization. So I keep that one. So here, yes, that get updated, and I should also have the new email that your request is accepted. Okay. So now I came here, I just log out. Yes, and now I log in. Now just log in with the same user, right? And now he can see all the events. Okay.
Okay, understood, sir. Sir, the images I can't see. That one, the above. You are volunteer. The why the one the tab too big, sir.
Okay. There is some gap. I think why this gap is there. So this is volunteer homepage, right? Volunteer home.
And another thing is, whenever I press the button of view details,
Hmm.
it shows like undefined variable setting.
Okay, let's see. Yes, that variable we have to send setting everywhere. Yes, that's one. We have to set this one everywhere because we have the logo right on that page. So this one is which method? So just go to routing. So it is home controller volunteer event view. So I need to send the what we say. I need to send settings right there. It is a volunteer program. Control F and yes, find this one. Yes, this method I need to set settings just like this above. We have just copy this. Okay, whenever by mistake if you have this error, we are trying to remove all this. But if you have this error, just do this thing. Just find all setting in the controller and send that to that view particular view. And if I save this and we refresh it, it's error gone. Okay. So got it. And here,
How, sir?
yes, that's the problem. Yes. Settings.
Let me check.
Yes. You just have to add this one. Okay, no worries. Okay.
Volunteer home controller, sir.
Yes, I will update the product to Git.
Home
You just
controller
do the
line
git pull. Just do
286.
the git pull again. And yes, now. And okay, we will remove this space. Yes, this extra space, right? Uh,
So can I see the code?
wait. Okay, you want to implement directly? No problem.
Yeah, let me check. 286.
Okay, wait. Don't edit. Otherwise, it will give the problem. I will do commit. Okay. Okay. That each page is there. Volunteer event view. View. Setting variable. Okay. And
Even
now
something. Even
git pull. Okay. Just do the git pull.
git pull only. Git.
Wait.
Okay.
Yes. Now you can do git pull.
Pull. Now.
Okay. So you will have that code in the home controller line number 285.
But still, it says like error exception.
No, just go there. It means that a git pull is not successful.
Oh, but it say error. So I need to force other. Git pull force. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Share,
It
share,
says error.
share the screen. You have to do git stash and okay. Let me share the screen because there should be some changes in your local.
Okay, wait.
Yes. So okay, share the screen.
Okay.
I think git stash will solve your problem.
Because it's yeah. It says stash. Please commit your changes.
Okay. Let's show me. Okay. And now try to git pull force. Yes, git pull force now.
Already done. No?
Pull. Git pull.
Git pull error.
Your local changes. Okay. Do the git stash. Git space stash. Git space stash. Okay. Yes. Enter. Saved working directory in this now. Now do the git pull. Okay, it's
Error.
in there. Okay, just go there. That click on that file. App mail. You have problem with these 2 points. Okay, just click on that. Control plus click. That link. Yes, control plus click.
Okay.
Okay, what happens? Yes, what it says? The
Overeating by
following
much.
untracked trees would be override by merge. Please move or remove them before you merge. Okay, just remove these two files. Just delete them. These two files.
This too, sir.
Yes. Just right click here and
This
say
one.
delete. Yes, delete.
Delay, sir.
Yeah, delete. It's saying that you should remove that because the changes are different. Yes. Also delete this one.
This one. Okay.
Yes. Just right click again.
Request result.
Yes. And now do the git pull. Yes, enter. Yeah, fine. It's done.
Why, sir? Why the first of all the
Because
problem?
these two files are different. That one and
But
this one.
but just now I did this one the same thing, right? The request
Yes,
education.
but you have not updated the code. I have updated the code there.
Oh,
Yes, that I have added the mail data and all those things. So
let
okay,
me recheck it.
it will be there. No problem. Yes.
For me, the photos it's not there.
So that not get means git ignoring all those files. Okay. So to have this one, okay, wait. We will upload all the project to our directory and you can represent there, right?
Okay, sir.
So to have this one, you just edit this one. Okay, okay. Let
So I can see.
okay. I need to resume it. Okay. So okay. Hello. It's fine
Okay,
now. Yes,
okay.
ma'am. So we will pause the work of the website and we will move for the admin that app, right? Hello.
Mm.
Yes. Yesterday, what happened? There were two branches, and the problem with the merging. So we have deleted the app directory and created the same directory again. Okay. So just share me the email, your Gmail, for the easy conzi. Okay. So I will invite you. Cause
Setting.
yes, I need to invite you again because we have deleted that. Okay, just send your email
I see.
here in the group.
But just that day I already
No, no, no.
become the
Yes, we have deleted entirely that project from
this one
the.
for the new Raptor Studio.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. I already sent it.
No, send me the email.
Oh, oh, accidentally sent to Alif.
Send in the group. Send this. Okay. So I just copy email. Okay, and okay, just accept my invitation there, so you can pull this one. You will have email, and you have to do one thing. You have the
I
older.
need to do that check.
Okay.
I need to accept it.
Yes. Yesterday we have merged the Ellipse code with our
And
existing code.
then
Ellipse code has the problem that he just skipped that login module. Okay, so we just merge them properly. Okay, do one thing. If you have the app folder, right,
mm,
in your PC, just delete that. That has the old code and it may mess up. Okay?
I need to clone it right now.
No, just delete that old folder.
Okay, wait.
EasyConzy app, okay, not the our Laravel. Oh, EasyConzy app.
Because we save it under the training.
Okay, just remove that one. Uh,
Wait. So
uh,
what about the Alif? No need to throw away,
okay,
right?
no, he already did this one at the
You
night.
already did.
Yes. So if he is there, he can join. We can continue. Just call him,
Yeah,
message him.
we can do.
Yeah.
2 mini files.
Want to join, or
100,000.
I am there.
Means the file is deleting 100,000 files.
What happened? Okay, share the screen.
It's done. Okay. So
Sometime VS
he's with
Code
me,
is
sir.
open.
He's with me. He can join.
Okay, okay, you are there.
Yeah, same. Both
Same,
also same place.
okay, okay, no problem. It's fine then. Because yes, that also it will be better. Because continue. So close this one. We also need to write some methods to call the events and all these things. Okay. So first of all, I will run the app. Okay. So where is this? This one is the revision easy console app 2. Okay, I have given the name. So open with the code. Okay, and I just close this one. Okay. We will make it on full screen, and here I will start the server. Okay, I will delete all the old one. So terminal new Ionic server. Okay. Okay. I think it's a small work if we have everything properly. And remember, here we have to hide the events. Okay, if the user is not the admin user, right? Oh, sorry, volunteer. So I just properly make it to the mobile view. Okay, so yes, like this. Okay, now. Okay, okay, guys. We do one thing. Hello. Hello, are you
Yeah,
there? Yes, yes.
yeah, yeah.
We will make the live this project, and we will have the live URL. So it will take some time, but it is needed because to make the app work. So I just shared a link. I think it was on the stick button. VK that we have made the okay. So here I think I already have the Git. I will push the code for the backend,
Yep.
right? Put the code, yes, here, and now, okay. First thing I have to do, I have to set up the backend project. Okay, so we are deploying our project
Uh,
on a live server. So here in the repositories, I have this one, right? This one is
mm,
our backend, means that website. Okay, it is a backend means this will also have the admin and other thing front end also, but this is the backend for our mobile app, we can see. So yes, this one in the settings, in the collaborators, I have different user on the server. Okay, so I will call that one. Yes, it is this. Accept. Okay, I have accepted this one, and let me check whether I have Gmail. So yes, invited, accepted. Yes, just like a simple process I have. So I can use this one in the server. So this is our root directory, just like this, and this is the now. Okay, so here this is our root directory of our website. Okay, our website is EKA. Yes, this one is our website, right? Currently this one, and this one is loaded from the index, right? And we have to change this one complete. So here, first I fire the git clone. Okay? So instead of that compressing the file on the local and uploading, and it take time, sometimes it match or not, just do the git clone. I already log in, that's why I can do. I already log in the git with this. So just paste as a plain text and enter. So yes, okay. Credential not erase operation is not supported. Authentication failed for, okay. So my authentication get failed. Why? Accepted, right? So you are now, you have pushed access only. I don't have the complete access. Okay. So I need to give access to this user also. All the rights. I only have the erase operation not supported. Okay. ChatGPT how to give the permissions. I think from here only I can give the permissions, right? Yeah, collaborator is there. One member selected. Okay. No, this one is not. Permission. Collaborator in Git. Navigate to your project. Click on the open menu. Go to project settings. Click manage access. Allow developer invite and click role. Okay. Can access under the base role. Manage access. Click on setting. Manage access. We have this. Okay. Suppose I want to call this one 2020. I think this time I have to remove this one. Yes, again add. Yes, but you don't under the base role. Click manage access settings. Manage access base role. Again, I need to invite under the base. Okay, we will try with your accounts. I will try to give access to you. Okay. Private repository, direct access to collaborator one invited. Okay, here okay, type is there, nothing extra. If I click, no, nothing. It goes to your profile, right? So here, manage. Not. I think this one is also the old answer. No, this one is a doc. Managing visibility of your project. Now I get to that. Who has access? So right three dot setting, manage access, and base role. Right. Settings. Here we have manage access. Navigate to your project. Dot top menu. Click on the menu. Click settings. Project settings and click manage access. Project settings. Projects. Okay. Put refresh. Get team access control and discussion for the contributors. Private regular. Okay. You have now push access. Push access. But it should clone directly. First I need to check it. But they are never offer previously. Git clone is dot git. I need to version not support. Copy this ChatGPT. instead of wasting time, we do one thing. I will upload the code directly. So I will go to www folder and this one is gone there, right? I just select all these things instead of that git. Right click and add to archive. Make it zip and just OK. Because we have less time. So that's all. And yes, I have also taken that database. Till now I will create that database. Just for the F2 that name, copy that name. So here I go to that database. This is A panel. So add database. I will create this database. I copy the user the password. Submit. Okay. And again go to the files. And here we are at the root of our website. I just need to upload this one. So drag this and drag and
Satu.
drop here and upload it. Okay, it's only that's much small it is actually only 38 MB. Okay, that's it. Okay, okay. Till now, one more thing we can do. Here is our app, right? And the first request we have for the login, right? So it is
Yes.
from the login page, right? And here we are sending this request. We need to change this one. Okay. Now instead of localhost, we will make the request from the live server, right?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Okay. Yes, almost done. And,
Okay.
yes, because we need to have this system live. That's why. Okay. So you can represent that system to your respective persons seamlessly. You just need to have this URL and okay. So, and you can share the zip code. That's also no problem. Okay. First thing I have to do hide the public from the URL. For that, that A panel has some setting. If I go to public and here we have the site directory. So I will make this the public. So every time I don't have to public in the URL. So again here first thing I have to do change the credentials, right? So go to .env file. Okay, so we have the SMTP and all those things. Here I need to change the URL first thing. Yes, and the
Yes.
important thing I need to change the password. Here Windows V. I just created this new database, right? And this username password I have. I changed this one, and now this is our root one. Okay, this one is our URL. So it's not the app now, the local one. So I will just update this one, and I save this one. Okay, and here in the database, open a new tab. Here I need to manage and log in there. So first thing I need the username and password. This is online, right? Windows V, easy concept, and here Windows V. This is the password, and I go. Yes, now yes, it's fine. We have created successfully. So I just need to drag and drop this database there. So we will have the proper thing. Yes, it's successful. And let's check we are online or not properly. Everything is fine. Okay, we have problem with this logo, right? So why we have the problem with the logo? Just need to inspect it. We need to adjust some parts. Okay. So here should not have the public there. Okay, if I click here, okay, if I open this link in the new tab, okay, and if I remove the public from this one, okay, it's not. Okay, we need to adjust it. Okay, we will adjust this one. Yes, this one is what we have the name correctly.
Kita tak buat apa.
We have this one also, and open in new tab. I just need to adjust it properly. If I say storage app, if I remove the storage and app, the problem is that we have done the implementation on Windows, and in the Linux it is different sometimes. Okay, it is not like this. These logos. Control Z. If I remove this one, storage public. No, it's not. So we need to adjust it again. Okay, first let me check where these files are. So
Pan lah, pan sikit.
storage,
Dekat sini
app,
you just bagi
okay,
zip
in public,
Dah ada kita.
and then we have the logos,
Oh, beautiful.
and yes, this one.
Kerja dah.
Page kita.
Yes,
Kerja dah.
I just need to adjust it and make it work. Edit this. Open in new tab. I remove all the things. Look at dotting and logos. No. Okay, we will ask that. Because this is Linux, and Linux operate differently and Windows operate differently. Panel, Linux server, file
Ini Linux.
here, and this was the code. Okay, this one is the home layout, right? So we will have this one. One more. Okay, database record I will try to share it. Laravel, how I can have the path. I think one more thing I need to have here is the PHP artisan link. Okay.
Storage.
I think I need to link storage, right? Definitely. Yes, I should. I need to link this one. This one, then only it gets. Okay. So go to root of your directory. Okay. Here. Open the terminal and fire the command. Press the enter. Okay. Okay, it is already linked. Okay. Public storage link already exists. Won't directly affects your Linux server environment. It doesn't affect public PHP artisan storage link. Okay, the same command we have for so it doesn't need it. I think. What's the problem? Okay, what we do? We try to log in with the admin and again try to upload the logo, and let's see what happens. So here the same is that admin at EasyConsole, right? Admin
Mhm.
and let's tell me the spelling. EasyConsole. Okay, I will take it from the users.
Dikasih
password is 1 to 6 or 1 to 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, I think 6. Yes, when you are logging, yes, this one.
Oh.
Just save this. Okay. Again, here, in the events also we have many events, and if I view and edit, yes, we can't see this one also. Okay, this is the same problem, and we also need this one because we are fetching this URLs. Okay.
Okay.
For the app also. So I just copy. Okay, I want to copy the link. Copy element. Copy. Okay, open in new tab. This one was the okay on server, right? This one, and on localhost. What's the link? Let me check again. Okay, here, and easy boundary, public. Okay, okay. Okay, volunteer can see the event. Okay, same one. The first event is that. Okay, not this one. Which one was I have given that? 17:15:05, right? So let me check. Inspect it. Yes, 17:15:05. Yes. Yes, that's the same. I just need to open it. On localhost. This, and I will also provide the code by which it is coming. So it is from volunteer. Where is this? Volunteer home. I'll just put this app. Okay, sorry, it's the different code. I have to check it here. Resources. That was our app code. So here, okay, here we have the loop, and yes, here. So you can diagnose this. This works on local host, but not on the Linux server. And remember, I have site directory public done in the panel setting. So that may answer the problem. You have already created this image. Assets upload storage units. Okay. Try updating the image tag. What it say? Asset storage uploads events. Okay. And here what we are using? Storage app. Okay. And here what it says is that storage app and also. Okay. I will try to update this one. Online. Okay. Here we are, right? So for the admin, we have the same code. Okay. I just close this one. I will go to resources. Okay. Views, right? And we have the this one is the event, right? Events, and this one is the edit one, right?
Oh.
In the edit, we have IMG-SRC. Where is that? Yes, here. So this one is the. I will just copy the entire code. So it will be better. That not. At least I can see one of that. Okay. Event from there. So here, close this one. Yes, here I need to refresh and see whether I can see. No, nothing. Yes. This one is also not working there. That image storage uploads events. No, it's twice. I think I need to remove the uploads and events because it is in our code. So I will remove this one, uploads and events. Okay. I'll just save this one. And now again refresh this one. Okay, not this one. I think app. So this one is also not working, and with app also not working. First I need to have the proper URL of that image, and then I can have a trial and error. So here I go to files again. Okay, let me try whether it uploads something new or not. Okay, I just close this one. Okay, because this is needed for everywhere we have the file. Okay, so I just
Okay.
try take something new file that is not already uploaded. Okay, we will download it from the net. Uh, Clarity. Mail. We will upload this. I just save this one. Okay, okay. The download we have. Event updated successfully, and again go back. One edit, it is not working. Okay. And now I just need to change this one in the root. Okay, and I think it is inside the storage, in the app, in the public.
Public.
Okay, in the okay, it is not for, oh sorry, it is for the event, right? App,
Mm.
and then uploads, and then events. And if I have the thumbnail view, okay, not same. Okay, this one, okay, this one, I think the last one. Yes, this one. Yes, this. Okay, files are still not. Where is the chat bit? Team fast. Yes, yes. Files, files are here, and equal to.
Stop. No.
Okay, so you can check uploads. Upload. Okay, I need to explaining that we already have this one in the path. Okay, so in the events, this one, already in path. Yes, this one. It's a directly it's saying that SRC extra like this. Okay. If I do this one, storage, where is the file? Yes, here. SRC, I will have this. So second one was not working, so I will remove this one and have this one. If that works, we directly use the same one. Nothing. Problem is yes. Yes, this one is yes. Right. This one upload events and upload events. Right. I will remove this one. Oh, I think that was the no, nothing. This one, the old one. Storage app. Problem here. Storage assets. Okay, let me check this one details. This one is might be some the problem is that might be we don't have the permissions for this. So app, right? 755 is there. And
Okay.
okay, no, it's for storage, right? Storage 755, right? And
Mm-mm.
then in the app, uploading means the directories were code can upload it, but we can't read it. So how we can just do is okay. Set file storage app uploads folder on Linux and Laravel. It's the storage part. It's saying storage part. I storage path is a different folder, right? It is not inside the public. See, our directory starts from here, and here we have the storage. Then we have the logos, the background. Yeah, we don't have this. I got it here. We have the background, and we have the logos, but that event is not there. So I think that link is not properly done. Otherwise, other than that, so it should be linked with the public storage, and we don't have the app folder link. Okay, we got it. Got it. I can't app folder. Public here linked, just like uploads logo and background for other public, and you can create a symlink for app directory. It is in the app public with the public app. Yes. So we need to create the symlink here. Yes, done. Now let's set. So in the path, storage app public. So what will be the meaning? The link of image.
Tapi okey lah.
Storage
Okay,
as a
cuma
type.
nak ubah nama ni. Nak ni.
This one is
Mesti punya IP address.
after the app.
IP address nak dia posting lain. Dia ada tu lagi cuma upload saja. Dia nanti
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we have the link for the app. Okay. But what happened? Why not we have this storage right here? Then we directly have the logos and background. But what happened? That is not linked properly. So in the public, so in the storage, right? Then in the app, right? And we have the uploads public, right? I think inside the public we have the events, right? So same thing we should have in the public, okay? In the events, storage app uploads events, right? So just like this, go to public. So this one is for the app, and we don't have the uploads folder here. Also we don't have the public folder. Yes. Okay, yeah, this is the problem that this one is linked with the public app folder. www and no, this is linked to another folder. Okay, let me check. This is the same link. Here we have the logo and this. Okay. This is not working properly. storage app public and uploads. We have two directories. Let me explain again. Here we have public and uploads directory, but not have those in. We should have these two directory in our public also, because from there we have make the sim public and public. Here is you can create the sim link that for the storage app uploads can have the linking sim link. Then we can write. I think we are just near to the solution just now. So yes, again I will refresh this one. This part, then now we have the uploads folder, right? And we have the events and this one. So okay, just I will test copy the name. Okay, this is our directory. Then just uploads slash the name. Okay, I think events will be. Yeah, finally. The sim link was missing. Hello, Naresh. Naresh is there?
Wait, sir.
He is there or not? He had the same problem. Now I have image add.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. So, but you the URL if event slash thumbnail is equal to what? Copy this one. Yes, this one. Okay. Or I think we can use the URL also. Normally now. So this one is different for this one. I'll just save this one. Okay, let's see whether it is directly solved or we need to do something else. Yes, it is not get solved. Okay, upload events directory. Okay, the last one can work. Okay, so I just need to have some adjustment. Okay, wait 1 minute. So where we are in the resources, in the views. Hello, are you listening?
Yes. Yes, sir. I listen.
Yeah, yeah. Here, remember that assets, I will adjust first one also and second one also. But second one is not that much, okay. So if I do the assets and event thumbnail, okay. Okay, let's do something and see what we will get. We just need to adjust this one. Yeah, it's fine. Assets, upload events already there. So we, okay, so after the setting, we also made it smaller. Okay? But on Windows, we need to do same thing. That one, the old code we have for the localhost. And okay, we will not update that thing in our local. So we have the here. Okay. So this one is the email, and this one is for edit. And the same thing we needed when that volunteer login and sees all the events, right? So this one from where the admin volunteer sees all the events from his dashboard only. So go to resources, views, and go to that volunteer home blade. Okay, his volunteer home is yes. Here you can see you have the thumbnail here, asset storage. I think you just need to remove this thing. This one, right? So just save this one.
Yes.
Okay. Try to log in with another. Okay. Again. So okay. I think I also need to remove this. Yes, I have removed that line. Yes, following line. So remove. Okay. I think I also don't need this dot. Okay. Let me check again for the admin. Okay, view and edit. Yes, we can. Now again, view and edit. Yes, we have all the images. So in the admin panel, we don't have any problem. Okay, just log out. So now, okay, here we need to fix. Okay, we will also fix that. First, I just go with the volunteer. Okay, log in. Yes, we can see all the images. Okay.
Cool.
Yes. Now, I think in the view detail we need to fix this one, this thumbnail. So, go to this view. This is the volunteer. Okay. From where? Inside the volunteer. Request, no request. I think next one is this. View volunteer detail. Where is that view, particular view? Event details, yes. This is the event detail view, right? Yes. I just need to remove this extra storage up there because we have linked directly this one. So we will have this directly. Yes, fine. Now it's work fine. Got it? So this one is fixed for the what we can say for the website. Okay. So now our website is fine and we have the endpoints now. Okay. So first we need to connect our app here. So I will close other things. Okay. So yes. Again. Hello. Hello guys.
Hello, sir.
Yes, can you hear me?
Can.
Can see the screen?
Can.
Okay. Uh, so we have fixed that one, and now we are going to go with the app. Okay. So here is our app, and it is running. Yes, here. Whatever. This one, enter. So this time I will turn off this server, okay, local server, and now we want a login. Yes, here, this one from our website. So okay, I just close this one. Yeah. So that login is configured from here, and here yes, login.page.ts. If you go here, you have this one. Just remove this one. Okay, keep only API or then login. Okay, and here I need to have some link. This one is our okay, we just forgot this one. What was the link? VI K VK. Yes, VK. Yes. This one is our one. Just copy this and replace with our local public. You also remove the public. Okay. So again, this will get fire console. Yes. Now I try to log in, and this time it should log in from the server. Okay, network. Yes, it's successful. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. If I click here, Yeah, here. Okay, user is login successful, and if you go to, yes, if I see, you can see it is the online URL, right? You can
Yes.
see this is not the local host. Okay, so our app is now connected with the live API. So first we need to show all the events to all the users. Yes or not? Can you confirm that?
Yes, sir.
So this is the event slider, right?
Uh-uh.
So we should show all the events to anyone login, that normal user also. We need to show the title or image, this one.
Normal user of.
Okay, can.
Uh-uh. Can.
Okay, we can that. And for the details, they need to log in. They need to have some volunteer, something like this. But okay, they can see the detail, but they can't apply, right?
Yes.
Yes. So first thing, we need a slider. This slider is a just static slider, right?
Uh-uh.
So I need to fetch the slider details, right? This one is
Yes.
done, and this one is in home page, right? No, this
Mm-mm.
slider is in dashboard page, right? This slider is in dashboard box. Yes, this one. Okay. This one is that, and okay, this one. Ask the chat GPT. So now our code will be fast. I think this one is straightforward. Here I want the slider image and text get from the API endpoint in Ionic Angular. Okay. So hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. First of all, we need a slider array where we have the image and the text. Okay. So I just copy this one, and we do this one at the dashboard page.ts, right? And here I add this variable, right? Now next thing, ng in it, I need to have some fetch function. Okay. So this one is the fetch function. Okay. And just below the ng on init. Okay. And okay, this http is there. I need to have this one http client, right?
Yes.
Yes, and it should be get called here, and I think uh, yes, quick fix is there. Add import from, yes, and I also need that http client module imported in the data dashboard module. Okay, yes, this is needed, otherwise it will give the error. So I did this in the login module. Yes, http client module is needed. Whenever you want to use the http client object in the module, you should import it. So same thing I will do in a dashboard module.ts, and I will import that one. And not only import this one, I should have to mention it in the imports array. So it will be get exported and called when that view is get loaded. So http client model. Okay. And so now this now can work in the dashboard page. So we can fire the endpoint with any endpoint. Our endpoint is what? Okay. Where is our URL? Yes, this one. And I will have the API and events. Okay. I will have the events. Events. Okay, events. I need to define this endpoint because we haven't yet this endpoint created. So okay, we are not connected with the say Git, so I will manually do this thing here. So go to our panel, and okay, yes, suppose everything don't need it because it's very simple. Find all and like this. Okay. So go to the no, it's fine. But now go to files. We need to add some routes. Okay. This one I go to routes in the web. Oh no, this time not in the web. We will do this in the API. So we need some get route. Route get, and we directly have the events. Okay. Just call the events. EVENTS. Okay. Events. And in the auth controller. Okay. We will do all the things in the same controller because we only have two methods. So instead of making another extra controller. Okay. So the auth controller is where app HTTP controllers. Okay. Then we have the API folder and that we have the auth controller. Okay. So I will call the events method here. Okay. So public function events. Public function events. Okay. And here we don't need any request. We just it is just a get method. Okay. So auth controller events method. So this will call the events. Okay. So I need to have all the events. So what I need to do, use app models, and then I should have the event. Okay. Event is the model name, right? And events is the table name. So here what I do, I will get all the events. Okay. Events equal to event. Okay. And I just need all events. Okay. Where I only need the active events. I think that code is done for in the home controller. Okay, already done in home controller. When we want to show events to the volunteer, right? So I just need to search for the event. Okay. Yes, here date is greater than today, and it should be active. So total active events are there. We will call this event. Okay, this is in admin home, and event and two was called first. Yes, yes, this one is the correct one. Okay, here we have all the events. That's fine. And I need to JSONify this response. So return, I need to return first. I know I don't have to show this one in some view or something. I just need to send it to that app. Okay. API endpoint. So return a response. Okay. And I need to JSONify this one. JSON, and in the bracket I need to have the array.